Hey guys, sound demo for what I've dubbed the Ghosthand Fuzz, or what actually is John Patton's Orphan Fuzz, which is an germanium orpheum crossed with a Mossrite hybrid with extras. Got it. And it is as complicated sounding as it is as the description would entail, which is why I like it. It's very good. Not like anything else I have. Huge interaction. I'm pretty sure I'm getting volume and some sort of clipping or tone selection in the middle, or a bit of both. Could be capacitors with diodes or something, I'm not sure. And a bonkers tone control on the left side, sorry, the right side. No tone control I've heard is quite the same. It's bizarre. It's kind of like it leaves the bottom end intact, and it increases the top end. So it just chops off part of the tone spectrum. The upper end of the tone spectrum is just chopping that off, but it leaves the bottom end intact. It's very unique in that respect. Very peculiar pedal overall. Let's have a listen to it. So I hope you like that sound demo. As I suggested, it's a very oddball effect, not like nothing else you'd probably have. I like it. I like its eccentricity. It's very good in that respect, and yeah, it's a great pedal. Unfortunately, you can't get them anymore. As I said in the build report, they're not. They were a limited run that John did. You could email him and ask him. Maybe, I don't know. He might have a couple floating around. We might be able to help you or something like that. Maybe a reseller, a retailer has them available or something like that. You'd have to ask him. I'm not totally sure. And also check out his YouTube channel. I've mentioned him before in some of my other videos. Very smart individual, and he contributes to the pedal community all the time. He's a good guy. So yeah, that's it. Hope you like that one. Oddball effect. I like oddball effects. And thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Cheers.